Welcome back to my channel. Enjoy watching this. I hope it is useful. Before welding, clean the media first. Use a steel brush to clean off any remaining dirt. Do not perform continuous welding on thin metal. Your electrode position is at a 45-degree angle. Perform spot welding on the thin metal. Use E6013 2.6 mm electrode with 91/100ths of an ampere. Penetrate slowly and regularly until the welding process is complete. Clean the slag using a special hammer. Clean the remaining slag using a steel brush. What do you think of the results of this welding? For the second welding, the gap is slightly wider. Do not continue welding if the gap is wider. Your electrode position remains at a 45-degree angle. Keep doing spot welding, pulling the electrode as shown in this video. Pay close attention to this method. This time I still use the E6013 electrode with a size of 2.6 mm with 80 amps. Pay attention to the arrow. Penetrate slowly and regularly until the welding process is complete. Don't forget to clean the slag using a special hammer. What do you think of the results of this welding? Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.